Hello everybody. Today I am going to be showing you how you can code on CodePen.io. Firstly, you would need to create an account. Go to CodePen.io, then over here there would be a button that I just clicked. Now if you have Twitter, GitHub or Facebook, then you can sign up with that. Otherwise you can just go ahead and enter your your name, your username, which will be displayed to others when they view your pen, um, your email and your password. After doing that, click on submit, and then otherwise if you already have an account, click on login, enter your username or email, password, login, and now it will open your CodePen. Now you will not be able to see any of these are the ones that I created on my own. um, Basically you just go to the create tab and then click on pen. Now you can see HTML, CSS and JS. By default it will be like this, but I am more comfortable with this. You can choose whatever you want. The code on the left side, the output on right, the code on up and the output down, or the code on right and the display on the left. But I like this, so I'm just going to this. Now you don't have to do this because they're already showing this, but it's always a good practice. So opening sign, the less than symbol, we are going to call this opening sign HTML. Just a second please. Yeah, HTML. Close the bracket, hit enter, another opening slash HTML, and then a closing bracket. Now we are going to add a head. What is head, you may ask? Head is where the information is stored. For example, the title that is coming up here, a pen by my name, and then over here in the website, just a second, just 1 second, please. Sorry. Anyways, I just had to pause the recording, so you probably won't notice anything. But anyways, the head is where the information is stored, and the body is where everything is displayed. Oh, I know, I almost forgot. The HTML is for adding the components. The CSS is for adding the styles, and the JS is for, well, adding functionality. The full forms are for HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheet, JS, JavaScript. So, anyways, in the head, we hit enter twice, opening bracket slash head, and then close bracket. The reason why we're putting slash every time the second one is because we are closing it. So title, title, closing bracket, title slash opening bracket, slash, title and then closing bracket. Let's just name this nothing here, dot dot dot. Now let's just go ahead and add the body. So we just firstly, I forgot to mention that you have to save this. If you exit this anyway, then it's going to say warning here. If you still exit it, nothing will be saved. Anyways, The autosave isn't enabled by default, but yeah. Body, close the bracket, opening bracket slash body. Um, Now you could just hit enter and then do that, but anyways, yeah. Now we add h1, which stands for heading. Um, I mean, well, so let us make this let's make this example website. By default, it's always gonna be there. In the CSS we can change it, but we are going to learn CSS in the next video. So example uh, website, P, which stands for paragraph. I mean, oops. Yes, paragraph. This is an example. Now we just close this. We can also change the size over there. And now, but also an example. Oh, what? Button. So let's just close that. And yeah. Uh, we will do some changes over here in the HTML when we go to the third video, in which I will teach about JavaScript. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I can show a few more things. For example, img. You just open this. Now type. You can give it a ID. You put that over here. Haha. Let's just name it haha for now. Now we just go ahead and type in src, which stands for source, and now we just do that. That won't give anything because that we haven't added any photo yet. So if I click on photos, I can I can copy a website link. So now if okay, as you can see, it's over here. I can see this very nicely, but this is a bit too big. So let's make width, I mean width equal to 10 px. That would be very small, but let's see. Yeah, that's very small. Let's try 500 px. So as you can see, this is a button. So I don't think this works, but just let me double check. I'm going to pause the recording. I just realized no, it doesn't work. I was trying to use something, but which doesn't even work. Anyways, this is all I'm gonna show in this video. It's already over 10 minutes. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And yeah.